Chris!
Boss, coach.
Ikaw muna kasi hindi ko pa kilala yung mga player eh.
Kilala mo.
Pangalan na lang. Ano na lang.
Sige na, bro. Sige na.
Wala, siyempre, nakarali ko muna yung mga steam.
Dami excuse.
Kaya yung mga steam yung sinunod. Apa? Naghanap pa kayo na.
Let's get ready to rumble! All right. At Grand Prix first Phoenix, intrinsic bowlers. Parehas naka-white. Parehas naka-white. Good luck sa referee. Parehas naka-white. Good luck sa referee. Nasa kamay pag may foul, ha? Number 23, Danny! Oh! Yes! Oh! 2 points sa kabila.
Tumira si Dexter.
What a nice pass! Rebound!
Doon pala yung ginawa rin.
Nalito.
Carlo,
Carlo Aquino.
long bound, long shot. Number 22, Pares Puti. Good luck sa mga referee. Alright, Yoyo! 2 points. Number 20, setting the play. Pass to number 24, power move. Up. Sa kanyang bola, rep. Dito. Tumira ba siya? Uy! Kasi sinabi ko siya. Two points, number 1. Yeah. Number 20 sends the play, pass to 31, power move! Bam! Rebound by Ruminos. Rebound on number 1. Oh, spin na, bakal pa! Last starts.
Number lang sa pangalan. Wala silang budget sa akin.
Foul. First foul. Provinos, number 23, first personal foul. Goal, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng mga bataan. Pass to number 10. Tinira, binasa. Oy, wow. Ulit may foul. Nasa kamay na may foul. Foul. Number 34, foul. Two free throw from Kiatong. Unang pagbumuslo ni Kiatong. Kiatong, sabay.
Taas mo pang konti! Sabi ko sa'yo, isa lang eh! Hirat mo!
Pangalawang pagubuslo. Lugo. Yun, long for the pass. Tinira sa 3-point. Lugo. Foul. First foul. Carlo, first personal foul. Second team foul. Third team foul. Second free throw. Yes, 2-point. Number 20, looking for the pass. Pass to Carlo. Carlo, tinira sa 3-point area. Lugo. Rebound sa number 18. 10. Stop and shot. Lugo. Rebound to Ramirez. Ramirez. That's the wrong pass. Carrillo, number 10. Lugo. Foul again. Number 34, two personal fouls. Second personal foul, number 34. Free throw. Counted by Gato. Second draw. Oh, air ball. Oh, rebound to that. Special score, 11-2. Goal. Pinasok ay sa number 10, pass to number 10. Binalik ang bola, tinira sa 3. Wala. Number 1, number 3-point. Yes! Yes! 3-point! Yato! Number 0. Kinakaras number 24. Foul. Hardon, first personal foul. Hardon, number 24. Goal, looking for the pass. Pass to number 10. Pinasok. Rebound by Rubino. Still by Pimon. Nakahilo silang tignan. Puro white. Number 0. Dribbling the ball. Yun, nagmamadali. Ayan na. Ipinasa kay number 17, Isolea. Yes, for 2. Number 17 for Isolea. Ayan na po si Carrillo, number 10. Count that. Count the rep. Count that. Time out! We're live. Warning for penalty, PHNC bowler. Careful sa foul. Free throw from number 17. First free throw to Lugo. Number 10, dribbling the ball, pass to number 0. Number 0 dribbling the ball, looking for the pass to number 17. Oops! Outside. Number 0, nagmamadali. Itinira bigla. Yes! For 2, number 0. Try. Oh! Outside. Time, 1 minute and 4 seconds. Ten seconds. 5, 50 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time out. 24 seconds. 24 second violation. Got on in the 3-point area. Yes! 3-point for Gat. Press the press. Got on sa 3-point. Yes. 29 seconds. Wrong pass. Let's get back to number 18. Number 18. Yes, for 2. Number 18. Number 10? Number 10? 18? 10? 3, 2, 1. And of the first quarter. Back to the ball game. Beach ball.
Nakuha nila tapos na defensive rebound lang kanina. Hindi, sinut niyan eh.
Kasi yan eh. Beach ball. Ground ball. Oh, back by number 7. 15-second shot clock. Ram, namulating the Tribunal Newport. Ian, Clearing ball, si Ian, inasa kay Ray. Ray pass to number 7, yung Leslie Leah. Yes, for 2.
Bago sapatos eh. Ganun. Ay, bago sapatos eh. Puro bago sapatos. Ano yan? Bakit? Yung mga gagi, no? Ay, yun lang.
Si Ray, ang nagdadala ng bola. The captain ball, Ray.
Sanapan ko, puro bago sapatos. Ayun,
Anak ko.
Oh, naman. Iihi ako.
Score is 25-8 in favor of Uncrowned. 27-8 pala. 27-8. Power move! Alright! Look, this. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 8. Still by number 7. Number 7. Pass right to number 18. Number 18. Easy 2 points. Alright. Easy 2. Number 10 setting the play. Number 10. Power move. Pass to number 1. Alright. And counting ball. Number 7, 3 point. Miss. Rebound by number 8. Pass to 25. Number 35. Setting the play. Tumira. Nagpass. Rebound niya. Itira mo. Tira. Sumalpan. Rebound by number 37. Number 37 setting the play. Pass to number 17. 37. 2 points. Kanta ng sala na. Deep in. The small rep and front in. Number 17, tumira sa press. Rebound 37. Foul number 10. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Carlo out. Danlix in. Substitution. Okay na? Okay na. Two for two. Setting the play. Number 0, jump shot. Kanya pa rin ang rebound. Oh. 90s basketball. Nagkaroon bola, nagtagumpay ang number 7. Pass play kay 37. Pasa kay 18. Oh, bumeke. Foul, sumabi. Number 10 pala, sorry. Typo error. Alam ko 18 eh. Second game. Farm Kings versus King of Kings. All right.
Check it out.
Setting the play. Pass to 20. Number 20. Peke. Tumira.
Bang! Sayang.
Tapos. Rebound by number 25. Number 25. Back to number 0. Oh! Rebound by number 7. Pass break to number 10. Number 10 easy to. Hindi pala easy. Sumala eh. Number 25. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Setting the play. Oh, na-steal na. Bakal. Steal na. Bakal pa.
Galang iyan.
Number 17. Oh, anong tawag, Rep? Foul number 25.
Laki pa.
Lacking foul number 25. Second personal foul, 13 fouls. Substitution, Rep. Number 17, Imoy out. Nakakit si Imoy. Hindi nakakit si Imoy. Lakidaan! Napeke lahat. Alright. 2 points. Ang daming napeke, no? Score is 36-8 in favor of Antron Kings. Kokonti lamang. Pagsunod yan, Sala. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, setting the play. Pumasok. Drop pass back to number 17. No, Sala. Rebound by number 25. Pass to number 0. Pass break. Wala kang kalaban dyan.
Itutok
Solo,
mo.
itutok mo. Yo, bumaba na po lamang. Kokonti na. Kokonti na. Kokonti na lamang. Habol pa yan. 36-10. Kokonti. Number 37. Pumasok. Steal na pa. Sino naka-steal? Na-steal ni number 34. Sundutan number 7. Number 7. Pass 37. Off the birthday boy. Off. Number 7. Drop pass to number 10. Sala pa rin. Isa pa. Oh, 2 points.
Sab. Sab.
Time out. Official time out.
Official time out.
Substitution. Number 0 out, 13 in. Alright, ayun na. Number 23, setting the play. Number 23. Pass to number 17, number 17. Drop pass to number 20, number 20. No. Around the basket. Oh, 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Number 37, the birthday boy, dribbling the ball. Setting the play. 1 minute and 9 seconds to play. Pass to number 21. Number 7. Big. Piso-piso, ilista mo na. 40-10, kokote lamang. Huwag nyo lang tingnan ang score.
Napakasarap ang score.
Up. 49 seconds to play. Seconds to play sa first half. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Pumasok. Sablay. Tumira ulit. Oh, sino foul rep? Taas ang kamay. Number 34. 21 seconds. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Running time.
Isang counted.
First up! 41-10. Kumantian lamang. Kaya pa yan. Alright, 41-10 in favor of Antron Kings. Binibigyan lang kayo ng partida. 41-10.
is 41-10. Favor ng Crown Kings.
Third quarter. Change court.
Dito bola. Bowlers possession. PHNC bowlers possession. Baka modern. Galing sa space. Number 18, setting the play. Pass to number 10. Number 10, power move. Rebound by number 18. Oh, 18 siya ulit. Oh, okay. Rebound by number 10. 3 seconds violation. Pass to number 10. Rebound, power rebound, nasundutan. Number 18, up. Jump ball. Kaninong bola? And Crown Kings ball. Possession arrow. Number 10, pass to number 13. Wala pa. Ano ba? Pass to number 10. Number 10, easy 2 points. Lista mo na. Number 10, Carlo setting the play. Pass to Imoy. Steal by Katong. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Oh. Ganda ng pasa. What a pass! Makapasama sa top 10 plays of the day. Maganda yung pasa na yan. Nalito pati OJ.
Number 24. What a hustle! What a hustle! Oh, jumbo! PHNC ball. Possession arrow.
Napakaganda ng hustle. Ayan ang hustle. Alright. Number 10, setting the play. Pass to number 18. Itira mo na! Isa pa! Back to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 10. Pass to number 06. What a shot! O, hindi na alam huwag na natin ang score. Ang score ay 43-14. Dadalwa.
Bingo number 12. Oh, Sala. Power rebound! Isa pa! Oh, sayang. Foul number 10.
Third personal foul, first team foul. Number 10 setting the play. Pass to number 18. Lumakas. What a dribble. Number 10.
Porto, nakawan. Number 22.
Sala. Isa pa. What a pass. Number 13. Secure the ball. Setting the play. Number 13. Number 13, pass to number 06. To Carlo. Oh, still na, bakal pa.
Solo-solo to. Walang kalaban. Easy 2 points. Wala, lahat easy. Walang hard points ah.
Up. Rep, ano yun? Ano yung rep? May nakita si rep? Ano yung rep? Di mo pala sinasadya rep. Di mo pala sinasadya rep. Okay na, okay. Oh, thumbs up. Okay na. Number 18, tumira sa 3. Malakas. Number 1.
Pass to number 24. Number 24. Lisnaes sa bala. Number 1, power rebound. Pass to 24. Alright. Easy 2 points na naman. Lahat ng 2 points ay easy.
Score ay 49-14. Kukonti lamang, lilima. Number 18, Watapik. Sapa. Oh. Sabit. Sumabit. Kitang-kita nga, sumabit. Yung malaki, sabit. Post foul. Number 30 foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Kenshi volleyball. Pass to number 24.
Oh, still na. Nahabol pa. Naitira pa. Easy 2 points na naman. Easy. Lahat easy. Wala man lang hard.
Number 10, setting the play. Tumira ng 3. What a pass! Pasa po yun, pasa.
Agency bowlers ball.
Number 10, setting the play again. Screen sa number 06. Number 08, tumingala. Oh, nagpas, dapat na naman. Pasa po yun. Number 13, nakadalawang pasa na sa kanya. Nakadalawang pasa, easy 2 points. Alright.
Number 30. Pass. Number 1, Pinuersa. Kinuyog. Tatlong kumuyog. Pinilit. Naagawan. Number 10, still the ball. Number 10,
Umaragasa. Walang kakampi. Umaragasa. Ipinasa kay 06. Tumira. Easy 2 points. 06. The score ay 51-20. Isa naman.
rebound by number 10.
Number 10 setting the play. Masyado kumainit ang laban. Dikit ang laban. Tama na. Tumira na 3. Pineke. Number 8 tumira. Sablay. Number 18. Power move. Oh, 24 up. 9 ball. PHNC bowlers ball. Substitution. Alright, substitution number 69, Largo. Alright. Tumira na 3, malakas. Number 18 rebound, fast break.
Number 22, easy 2 points.
1 minute, 8 seconds to play, third quarter. Pinasa kay number 17. Number 17, naghahanap pa sa pinasa kay number 0. Oh, bumaba. Down. Number 10. Blue free throw. First personal foul, second team foul, and ground kick. 45 seconds to play. Alright. Smooth na smooth ang unang free throw. Second free throw. Rebound by number. Alright. The Crown Kings ball. 40 seconds to play. 30 seconds to play. Nice shot.
Pass to number 30, number 30. Pumasok. Sala.
Force 3 seconds to play. Pinastik. And sayang yun. Score is 53-21 in favor of ang Crown King. Dadalwa lamang. Water. Wala, may taas. Hindi, isa doon. Fourth quarter. And Crown Kings ball. Nasa yung official ball. Nasa bola pala yun, kaya ano? Nasa bola pala, kaya ano na lang. Kaya di pumasok. Oo, kaya pala, bola. Fourth quarter. Sobrang dikit ang laban. Number 10, tumira ng 3. Tapos, NC Ballers. Number 10, setting the play. Ang ganda ng cut. Power move. Pass to 69. 69! Number 69! 2 points! Alright. Takbong pogi. Uy! Oh, 2 points. Number 10, setting the play. Number 10. Pass to number 0. Number 0. Yeah. Rebound by number 30. Number 30. Pass play kay number 7. Oh, foul number 10. Fourth personal foul. First team foul. Last free throw. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Pass to 17. 17. Tumikada ng 3. The post. Sakto. Last touch. NC Ballers. Number 7, power moves. 2 points. Number 0, setting the play. Tumikada ng 3. Tapos. Sino foul rep? Number 17 foul, Franco. Second team foul. First personal, third team foul. Number 10, naghahanap ng papasa. Dribble. Pasa kay number 17. Nakuha si number 30. Number 21 pala. Oh, number 17, steal the ball. Number 0. Umaabante. Bulag po. Oh, lumakas. Malakas ang tira. Number 17, rebound the ball. Number 17, tumikada. Bitin. Pull up. Yun. Oh, foul number 10. Number 10, 5 fouls. Ilan ba ang fouls? 5. Graduate Carlo, BS in fouls. Rebound by number 21. Oh, fade away. Within. Oh. Number 0. Foul number 21. Yeah. Time out. Phoenix NC Bulls. Number 25, turning the play. 25, pass to 17. 17, tumikada. Bitin. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Oh, still. Number 21. Pinalik kay number 10. Number 10, tumikada na 3. Sala. Number 30. Alright, Sala ulit. Rebound by number 34. 17, setting the play. To number 23, number 23. Oh, pass to 34. Easy 2 points. Swak na swak. Walang sayang. Number 30. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 10. Number 10, power move. Oy, what a move. Sada lang. Number 10, rebound the ball. 17. Naghihintay ng kakampi. Ipinasa kay number 17 na steal. Number 17. Easy 2 points. Sobrang daming easy 2 points. Number 10. 10. Number 10. Sobrang daming easy points. Time is 3 minutes, 20 seconds to play. Score is 58-25. 2 points. Dexter. Nakasus Dexter. Number 23. 2 points. 3 minutes to play. 17. 3 points. Sala. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Up. Good play. Up. Jump ball. Unranking. Ball possession. 2 minutes, 37 seconds to play. Oh, block. Block by number 17. Number 17, magmamadali. Nagmamadali sa number 17. Tumigil, tumira. Sala. Number 7, rebound the ball. Rumara ka sa, pinasa kay number 10. Easy, 2 points na naman. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. All right. Number 69, tumigala. Sala. 17. Easy ka naman. Time out. Score line. 64-27. The ball game. Dito, masuk sila eh. Big, nakatutok na. Back to the ball game. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. Next game is Farm Kings versus King of Kings. Kompleto na ba? Kompleto na. Sinong kula? Alright. Number 20. Tumikalo ng 3. Sala. Rebound by number 06. Pinasa kay number 1. Number 1. Pass break to number 21. Number 21. Umaragasa. Tumira. 2 points. 1 minute, 19 seconds to play. Number 18 setting the play. Baba daw, baba. Up, tumira na, tumikala. Supply. Rebound by number 1. Pass break. And number 21. Napaka-easy naman ang tira niyan. 2 points. 55 seconds to play. Up. What a pass. Nakuha na naman yung number 1. Pass break na naman kay number 17. Easy na naman. Puro easy. 38 seconds to play. Puro easy. Number 69. Pumasa. Naistilan pa rin. Number 30. Number 1. 20 seconds to play. Number 17. Tumira pa. Ano? Tumira pa. Oh. 40 seconds to play. Tumira. Sala. 8 seconds to play.
Okay, alright, it's alright.
Kamayan. What again? Kita-kita nyo.